Hello friends, I'm really excited to show you the Afghan Horseman Restaurant. The traditional floor seating with cushions was already reserved. Advance reservation is required. The decor of this place is just spectacular. From wall to ceiling, and the lighting too has Afghan touch to it. How beautiful to see the ceiling draped with colorful fabric. Just below the ceiling, they have got their traditional pots and pans. We ordered the Kebab Platter Delight that serves two, and this is just one of the appetizers of the platter. It generally comes with salad and feta cheese, but for me, I asked if they can replace the salad with the eggplant dip. It also comes with hummus, spinach and yogurt dip, and pita bread. We were already quite full with the salad platter, and each platter is for two people. After the appies comes our Kebab Platter Delight, or I should say a delightful platter. It has chicken, beef and lamb shish kebabs and also lamb chops with crispy fried potatoes and dips. Since we were four of us, we took two of these huge platters, which was full of goodness, and we were so full we could not finish. They had an outside patio as well, but it was full of people and I did not want to invade their privacy, and so I did not take a video of the outside patio, but it was really beautiful outside. You must try this restaurant.